Hello, kids! Welcome to Writing by Planet Spark.
Hello, little writers! Ready? Let's play! Grab a pencil. Grab a paper. Let's see how many you can guess. Question 1. I am red and round. Doctors say eating me is healthy every day. Apple, banana, mango. The correct answer? Apple. Great job, little writers. Question 2. I am yellow and monkeys love to eat me. Orange, banana, grapes. The correct answer is banana. Great job, little writers. Question 3. I am orange in color and very juicy. Orange, mango, apple. The correct answer is orange. Great job, little writers. Question 4. I am sweet and come in a cone or cup. Kids love me in summer. Rice, bread, ice cream. The correct answer is ice cream. Great job, little writers. Question 5. I am round and cheesy. Many kids love me with toppings. Burger, pizza, sandwich. The correct answer is pizza. Great job, little writers. Please like and subscribe the channel. Question 6. I am soft and people eat me with butter or jam. Cake, bread, rice. The correct answer is bread. Great job, little writers. Question 7. I am white and people eat me with curry, rice, cake, apple. The correct answer is rice. Great job, little writers. Question 8. I am sweet and eaten on birthdays. Cake, bread, pizza. The correct answer, cake. Great job, little writers. Question 9. I am a long fruit and purple or green. Mango, banana, grapes. The correct answer, grapes. Great job, little writers. Hey, superstar! Ready to show how strong your words power is? Ask Mama and Papa to book your vocabulary challenge below. Question 10. I am a king of fruits and very sweet. Apple, orange, mango. The correct answer, mango. Great job, little writers! Question 11. I am crunchy and rabbits love to eat me. Potato, carrot, tomato. The correct answer is carrot. Great job, little writers! Question 12. I am red, unused in salads and sauces. Tomato, apple, mango. The correct answer is tomato. Great job, little writers! Question 13. I am round and used to make fries. Potato, bread, cake. The correct answer is potato. Great job, little writers! Question 14. I have layers and vegetables inside. Many kids eat me for lunch. Rice, cake, sandwich. The correct answer is sandwich. Great job, little writers! Question 15. I am sweet, brown, and kids love eating me as a treat.
Chocolate, bread, rice. The correct answer is chocolate. Great job, little writers!
How many answers did you write correctly? Tell us in the comments.
Please like the video and subscribe my channel.
Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.